It is not every day that one stumbles upon a slice of 15th century Florence, tucked neatly into the manicured landscapes of Jupiter, Florida. Yet, here stands the Venetian Palazzo, a residence that treats the concept of home with the kind of architectural devotion usually reserved for museums. Completed in 2009 within the exclusive Bears Club, this estate doesn't just borrow from northern Italy, it effectively teleports it. The design is the result of obsessive research into authentic Florentine villas, and frankly, the level of detail is enough to make a Renaissance master blush. The interiors are defined by intricate millwork and soaring hand-painted ceilings that demand you look upward, if only to ensure you haven't accidentally wandered into a Medici family holiday home. Spread across 17,000 square feet of meticulously curated space, the home is a study in material decadence. We're talking about 20 different types of hand-cut marble sourced from 12 countries. If you have ever wondered what a global tour of stone quarries looks like, this is it. But architecture is only half the story. Life here is designed for those who appreciate the theater of living. The estate transitions effortlessly from intimate, informal corners to grand, formal halls that manage to be majestic without feeling like you need a map to find the kitchen. Outdoors, the lifestyle is equally theatrical. A 60,000-gallon edgeless swimming pool anchors grounds that feature museum-quality sculpture gardens and total privacy thanks to the surrounding preserve land. This is a property for the person who finds standard luxury a bit too, well, standard. It is a timeless, unrepeatable architectural achievement, a place where you can sip espresso in the morning and feel like a patron of the arts by noon. Just try not to get lost in the marble.